guys, I've been back with another interesting SQL interview question. Basically, this question being asked during the most of the interview session. So this is based on the SQL join concept. So what are the number of records to be generated by doing different kind of join? We will get understand. So suppose we have two different table A and table B, and table A is having table A is having a 7 number of a record, and table B is having almost 5 number of record is there. So here we are trying to do the inner join in between these two table with the help of ID column. So here the first record from the table A will get processed with other record that present in the table B. So here one will be matching with first record from the table B. One also match with the second record from the table B, and also with the third record. So here the matching number of match is 1 and 1, and here it's 0 because it's 2. 1 is not equal to 2 and 1 is not equal to null also. So likewise, so the total number of matching record is 3, and here also in the same fashion it will be 3, and here also it will be 3, here also it will be 3, and here also it will be total number of record match is 3. So total number of inner join count will be basically 15. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So 3 and 5 equal to 15. Outer join is equal to left join. So there is no functionality difference between the left join and left outer join. So left join is equal to, it will be the combination of inner join plus it will fetch some additional record. Those are not present in the right side of the table. So here you can able to see that. So here these are the number of record coming from the inner join. So here if you will see, this null is not present in this table. So this null cannot be similar to the null. Null cannot be equal to null. Null in the sense there is no value. So although it looks like similar, but from the SQL perspective, null cannot be equal to null. So this null, it will not equal to this null. So here these two number of additional record, those are not present in the table B. That's the reason it will fetch two more additional record that's coming from the table A. So here 15 plus 2 equal to 17. So now let's run it, this left join. So if we will fetch this number of record, it will be coming 17. So the total number of record being fetched from the this two table with the left outer join is 17. So let's see this null value. So basically, if you will be able to see it, this null that is present from the left table only, and this null, those nulls are present in the right side because there are no corresponding value is present from the table A. That's the reason this value is coming as a null. So this null and this null are not equal to each other. In the SQL, null cannot be equal to null. Although it's looks like similar to each other, but it cannot be equal to each other. Now let's jump into the right outer join. So basically in SQL Server, a right join and right outer join, these two things are similar to each other. It should work in the SQL Server in a similar fashion. So when we are doing the right outer join, so right outer join basically inner join plus the additional record, those are not present in the left side of the table. So here let's understand. So here this right side table is table underscore B, and first record is 1. So this one is, it will match with this one, that will be 1. One number of record will get here 2, here 3, here 4, and here that is 5, and 1 is not equal to 0, that's then it's 0, and 1 is not equal to also null, so that's also will fetch 0 record. So total number of record for the first row from the table V is 5. So in the similar fashion, it will fetch other record. 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15. And when it will come to 2, there is no matching record from the table A, that is from the left side of the table. So it will get 0. So it will not get 0. Basically, we are doing the right outer join, so it should get one record, and where the null, this is also get one record, and here basically this null is not equal to null because null are not identical to each other in the SQL. So here also 15 plus 2 equal to 17. So from the right outer join, we got 17 number of a record. So during the full join, so in between then let's check the right outer join query. Already I have written. So here let's run it to check the data. So basically, if you will able to see it, the total number of record got fetched is 17 number of rows. So here if you will see from the right side of the table, the two record got fetched, 2 and null, and those are the additional on the top of the inner join record. So here this 2 is don't in the perspective to this 2, there is no respective data from the table A. That's the reason it's coming null, and null is also it's not identical to null, so that's the reason it's coming null also. So this is the concept of the right outer join. So let's jump into the full outer join. So let's jump into the now full join. So basically the full join is equal to, so it will get the data from the inner join plus the additional data. It will fetch the additional record that present in the left table and not present in the right table. Basically, this is we are referring to the left join. Plus it will fetch the additional record present in the right table and not present in the left table. That is we are referring to the right join. So basically, the full join is the combination of the inner join and the additional record. Those are not coming from the inner join. It will be calculated. It will be included in the left join plus the right join. So let's understand from here. So the inner join, it will get 15 number of record plus. Let's understand from left join. So from the left join, these two records are not present in the right side of table. So this two record will come. This is the number of additional record coming from the left join, and it will go to the now right join. So here these two additional record that not present in the left side of the table, that is now we are doing the right one. So additional number of record coming from the right join, that is 2. So 15 plus 2 plus 2 equal to 19. So in the full join, we will get 19 number of record. So let's run it to understand the full join. So basically, the full join is equal to full outer join. So there is it will work in the similar fashion. Just the naming is a little bit of outer will be there. So here you will able to see these four number of additional record will get fetched on the top of the inner join. So now we'll see the last then we'll see the cross join. So basically the cross join is when we are doing the cross join, this cross join will don't have any joining condition in between these two table. Basically it will process the record from the each it will process the each record from the left side table to right table irrespective to whatever the value is present. So basically cross join in the sense each row from the left table will match with the each row of the right table irrespective to whatever the value is present from the both side of the table, and there is no joining condition. So what does it mean? So here this one will fetch rest of the 5 record from the right side of the table, and this one will get fetch rest of the 5 record. So likewise, it will be considered as a Cartesian product. So the number of rows from the first table into number of rows from the second table. So basically, then how many number of rows are present? 7 from the first table, 7 into 5. The total number of record in the table B is 5. So 7 into 5 equal to 35. So now let's jump into the natural join. So basically the natural join is not present in the SQL server, but natural join is present in other different RDBMS, just like in the MySQL it's present. So natural join will be act as a inner join if the same column is present in both the table. Suppose here from the table A, ID is a column, and from the table B, ID is there is the same column. The column name is same. If the column name is different and the same column or the same column is not present in both the table, then at that point of a time it will act as a cross join. So basically, so when the same column is present, so basically 15, it will act as an inner join. The condition is same column should present in both the table. Column should present in both the table. I'll just wrap the text, and it will be considered as a 35. That is cross join. So whenever the same column is not present, basically same column is not present in both the table, it will consider as a cross join. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to get the new video. Live your life, live your dream. Thank you.